Welcome back again to our training videos on Google Google 2 Masterclass. What this video is actually about, our Google 2's Masterclass, is all about how teachers can employ all the available Google tools to create an online school or online classroom. So as part of the ongoing classroom, today's video we're looking at how to employ teachers in your online class, your visual classroom or your online school. Yes, about the normal mortar and brick system, the usual offline school system. You built a school, you've got students admitted and all that. You need teachers to teach these students, and so you're going to employ teachers. So the same way it happens on virtual online school system. So I'm going to show you in this video how to do exactly that. It's a very short video. It's not going to be too much. So I'm going to encourage, if you're a teacher watching this video, coming across this video in any way, or you have a friend who is a teacher, please get them to be part of this training. Yes, it's going to benefit them so much. At this time around, the fee is so small. They can be part of this. You can have your school online while you're still doing what you're doing. You are down to school over there. You can build up a system that can pay you for life. So the first thing to do is to go to our Google Classroom. Because in all the Google tools we are using, Google Classroom is the major thing. That is where our school is built. We now use other tools to make it work effectively. Everything you're going to see in the normal school system, we are using every Google tools that are relevant to create a standard online school. And that's what the training is all about. So let me show you how to get teachers employed. Now, as I open my Google Classroom, you see a lot of classes here. So many classes. Why you are seeing them? Because I am into a lot of classes. Some of these classes, I'm a teacher there. Some classes, I'm just a student. You understand that? So as long as I'm a teacher or a student, I'm part of the classroom and you're going to see all of them. So I'm going to choose a particular class I want to use for this training. So I'm going to choose this one. Comprehensive YouTube dollar course. I want to show you how to, employ teachers. Assuming as an online school owner or classroom teacher online, I've just created a course, a classroom online like this. And the things I want to teach, I feel I'm not going to be the only one to teach this. I'm not going to teach. I want other teachers to join me to teach. We'll call them co-teachers. But in this case, you are the admin, you are the one employing them. If it is a class where you are charging fees, definitely you're going to pay these teachers. So you're going to agree with them how much, okay, you're going to be part of my class. You'll be teaching only Tuesdays and Wednesdays. You'll be teaching so days. And so how much you agree with that. So once you have agreed, see what you're going to do to get them employed. Now look at all these, the buttons that you have, the stream, you have the classwork, you have the people. Click on people. When you click on people, if you look at this section, you see teachers. Students, look at some of my students here. You can see them. They are all here. These are the students that are already in the classroom. So I want to employ teachers. So I'm going to click under teachers. You see this icon that shows a profile icon. You see there's a plus close there. Just click on that profile icon. Now, when you click here, there are two ways. There could be many ways to do this, or three ways to get them employed. Before now, you must have already discussed with teachers who want to employ. Now, when you have discussed with them, either they have filled a form, okay, I want to, just like teachers applying for a job, or you are the one that approached them, okay, I want you to work with me in my online school and stuff like that. They supply their email. In that case, if they supply their email, all you need to do is, you go here now, where you're seeing this name or email, type their email. Once you type it, let me show you. Let me say, for instance, I type the email, cheese sabes. Okay. Look at it. This is already, I type this email. Are you getting it? It's already there. I can type as many emails as possible. So if I'm sending it to hundreds of them, I can type as I type. I type as many as possible. Once I'm done, typing all of them, look at the invite up there. I click on invite. Once I click on invite, watch what is going to happen when I click on invite. Watch. If I click on invite, remember this is one of the ways this person has been invited. This particular email will go to this person. If there are many, it will go to them, and they will see the email that so person have invited you, or so class has invited you to be a teacher in this online class. So it is left for them now to agree. If it's a situation where they know about this, definitely they are expecting such email. They're going to agree. So once they agree, they have become automatically part of the teachers here. But if they don't agree, nothing is going on here. And for you now, even though you have invited them, you can still decide to remove this invitation by clicking on these 3 lines here that is a drop down. Click on remove. Very simple. That's it. Now, if you want to still add teachers, it may not be by typing email. Another way you can invite them is by sharing, copying the link. If I click on copy link now, I would have copied the link. Now, if for instance, I've gathered them on WhatsApp or anywhere else, that link I copied, I go there and paste it. Or I can go online. I say, I'm looking for teachers for my online class. I drop the link. If you're interested, please join through this link. And when they click the link, they're going to be finding themselves in this classroom instantly. Do you understand? Or I can as well click on share. If I click on share now, the system is going to ask me, where am I sharing it? I can also copy this link, or I can share through social media. You can see all this app you see down here. Are you sharing through WhatsApp business, or WhatsApp, or Facebook, or anywhere you want to share? You share this so people there can see it. Okay, I share it through a WhatsApp group. I say, okay, I'm looking for teachers that can teach online. If you're interested, please click on social link, and that's it. And they will click on it. So you can see there are 3 ways to get them. Either I share link through some media like social media and all that, or I copy the link and go straight to where I think they are and drop for them. And if it's a situation where I've already gathered them on a particular group, let's say WhatsApp group, and that's okay, teachers, those of you who are expecting to be part of our classroom, look at the link to join. If you're interested now, click on this link, join. As many as are interested, they click, automatically they join. Or if you now want to go through the email like I showed you before now, just follow that way. By this, you have employed teachers in your class. And I want you to try. If you're part of this class, don't just say, I will do. Just try it. You can have a colleague there say, teacher, I want you to be part of my classroom. Please, just be a co-teacher. Even if they end up not doing anything, but they are part of this classroom. So when students come into the school, online school, they see that we don't just have a teacher in this classroom, we have some teachers. And this is what they are doing. Those teachers have their names, Mrs. Glory, Miss Glory, Miss Patience, Mr. Paul, and all that. So all these are things that needed to be done. This online school, what you see in the offline system operates here, but much more in a standard way. So I'm going to stop this. I'm going to encourage you, if you're a teacher watching this video, no matter where you're operating from, all over the world, this is a virtual school. You can operate anywhere in the world, as long as there's internet. Please join our class. We are training. Google Tools Masterclass is a pure masterclass. You can't be part of this class and wouldn't enjoy it. I tell you, at the end of this class, you are going to build your own online school, and you're going to profit you. It doesn't matter. Even all those children you have in your schools, you can engage them on online school. Their parents know they are doing well. You build an online school, meet those parents, they register their children on online school, pay you the little they pay you, and you are teaching your kids. They'll be very happy. In this class teaching, you are going to see how to have CBT tests for your children and superb things you're going to do. You can have a live class with them, with Google Meet. All this is a part of what we're doing. So I encourage you as a teacher, be part of this. You won't regret being part of it. So I'm going to stop at this video. If you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to share this video so that others can benefit from it. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.